I'm Maddie. I'm the marketing manager at MYP and the organiser of this year's MYPcon.
And I'm Jason, the Product and Design Co-ordinator here at MYP.
And today we'll be talking to you about how you can get to the venue and what your accommodation options are.
Yeah, so conference is held at QT on the Gold Coast, so there's a few options to get there. So if you're travelling by plane, you can fly either into the Brisbane airport or to the Gold Coast airport. And if you're travelling into those two airports, you can then get to the venue via train. So there's a few light rail stations available, or you can travel by Uber, or you can book a car. So on the website, there's a variety of different links to explain to you how to get to the venue. So definitely recommend checking that page out.
Great, thank you. And what about accommodation options on the Gold Coast?
Yep, so QT has its own accommodation options, so definitely recommend checking out the options there. Otherwise, the Gold Coast has plenty of beautiful hotels around the area, and there's some options also listed on the site. So you've got things like the Hilton and the Novotel relatively close.
Great, okay. And what about parking? Is there parking at the QT?
Yep, so if you are travelling by car, you can choose to park on site at QT Hotel. So they have $20 parking for the day or $40 valet parking. Alternatively, there should also be street parking nearby.
Okay, all right, that's good. Thanks, Jason. Okay, so to register, you can visit the website or find a link on our social media page or speak to one of the MYP team, whether that be one of us or your client success manager or one of the client services officers.
So great, we'd love to see you there.
Yeah.